Another important question is the difference between highway pavement and airport pavement. So most likely for most of the question paper they will ask in video exam. Highway pavement, the width of pavements depends upon number of lanes, and number of lanes depends upon the traffic intensity. Width of 2-lane highway is 7 meter. In airport, width of pavement depends upon the class of airport types of area in operations, and standard clearance up to width of airport pavement ranges from 13 to 60 meter. Second, weight of truck is less than of an aeroplane, around 20 tons for dual tandem wheels. Gross weight of aeroplane ranges between 80 to 250 tons. Design wheel load is about 5.1 tons. Design wheel loads around 50 tons. The tire proof pressure is about 4 to 7 kg per centimeter square, whereas in aeroplane pavement tire proof pressure is about 25 to 30 kg per centimeter square. Normally highway pavements is not subjected to impact effect. Airport pavements are subjected to difficult types of impact during the landing and takeoff. Some more difference between two. Traffic load on the highway pavement is concentrated at the edge of the pavements, whereas the traffic load concentrated at the center of the pavement. Distresses is developed at the edges. More distresses occur at the center of the pavement. And last, number of repetitions of wheel load are more, whereas in airport number of repetitions of wheel load are less.